Welcome to Justo Consulting YouTube channel. Justo Consulting LLC is one of the fastest growing digital marketing and web solutions company. In this video we are going to learn about what is technical SEO and what techniques we use for technical SEO. So, let's start this. Technical SEO is the process of optimizing the infrastructure and back end of a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines. This includes optimizing elements such as site structure, XML sitemaps, canonicalization, Robots.txt, redirects, and mobile optimization. Technical SEO is a crucial aspect of SEO because it ensures that search engines can crawl and index a website's content effectively. One of the key techniques in technical SEO is optimizing site structure. This includes creating a clear hierarchy and logical organization of content, which makes it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. This can be achieved through the use of heading tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., and internal linking. Canonicalization is another important technique in technical SEO. It refers to the process of specifying the canonical version of a web page. This is done using the rel equals canonical link attribute, which helps to prevent duplicate content issues and ensures that search engines understand which version of a page should be indexed. A Robots.txt file is also an important technique in technical SEO. It is a simple text file that tells search engines which pages on your website should and should not be crawled. This can be useful for preventing search engines from indexing pages that are not important or relevant to your website. Redirects are also an important technique in technical SEO. They are used to redirect users in search engines to the correct version of a page, even if the URL has changed. This is typically achieved using 301 redirects, which indicate that the page has been permanently moved. Mobile optimization is another important technique in technical SEO. As more and more users access the internet from mobile devices, it is essential to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and responsive. This can be achieved through the use of responsive design, which adjusts the layout of a website to fit the screen size of a device. The benefits of technical SEO are many. A well-optimized website will have better visibility and ranking on search engines, which can lead to more traffic and ultimately more conversions. Additionally, a well-structured website that is easy for search engines to crawl and index can lead to a better user experience, which can result in higher engagement and more return visitors. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We've got more exclusive SEO content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.